Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. This end of day report is for trading on Thursday, November the 2nd, 2017. So it looks like we have a new Fed chair. Forget his name, something blah, 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 Powell or something like that. I don't know. It's irrelevant. It doesn't matter who the Fed chair is. It's still business as usual. All right. I repeat, business as usual. Looking at the silver chart, all right, we're getting close to the do or die. Let's see if the trend will do or will it die. As you take a look here, we got green on the screen. Market's trying to power up here. You can see, if I blow this up over here, market was falling off the cliff on the daily, stopped it. Now it's trying to decide what is it going to do. Is it going to give up the ghost and drown in the vortex and fall back down? Or is it going to punch through the cloud here and keep running and head up to the 1750? Well, according to the weekly sheet, we do have some momentum here. And as long as it closes above $17.01 tomorrow, the door is flung wide open for a run up to at least 1750. Let's see what happens. Looking at gold. Go gadget gold. We have a situation where this one is struggling, not like silver, where silver's trading above momentum. Right now, gold is not trading above momentum. Needs to close above 1284.10 tomorrow, or else. This right here will probably lock in, and we'll see some downside, folks. Not what people want to hear, but it is what it is. GDXJ, same thing. All right, failure. Needs to close above 33.24 tomorrow, or else it's going to fall off the cliff and do so rapidly. SILJ, looking at the silver miners, same thing. Needs to close above 11.57 tomorrow, or else. Next on the screen, we had some intraday volatility in the stock indexes because of all the Fed news, and also we had some jobless claims numbers this morning, unemployment numbers, and I don't know if it was CPI or something else that came out. I can't remember. Anyway, you had volatility. The market dipped, as you can see here, it dipped, and then it just recovered itself. The trend is still intact, folks. All right, this market's going nowhere. As long as it closes above 61.17 and 3/4 tomorrow, which it is way away from that. You got about 150 points or whatever caked in. It's good to go. It's good to go. Trend is intact. Looking at the Dow. All right. Dow just needs to close above 2330 tomorrow, and it's good to go. And right now, you got over 400 points of cushion. Looking at the XIV. XIV, as you can see, still locked in. Momentum came off, but it relocked itself in this week. Just needs to close tomorrow above 104.85, and the door is still flung wide open for more upside next week. Looking at NVIDIA, the one that I called to 200 way before it was even close to going there. Here we go. All right, it topped out at 209.97, closed at 205.94. Just needs to stay above 194.55 tomorrow, and it has more momentum. Door flung open to take out this week's highs next week. What else? Let's take a look at Hack. Hack is still above 30 bucks. So the world is not out of the woods yet as far as cyber attacks go. If this market closes above $30.42 tomorrow, it's going to fling the door wide open to make a nice bull run up towards the $32 handle. GBTC, as you know, Bitcoin hit like 7,300 or something like that today. GBTC has been on a tear. It topped out at 954.50 so far this week, closing the day at 927. Momentum is pointing straight up. You're in the overbought status, needs to lock something in. It's headed toward the pointer as it should. I think as long as this market can close tomorrow above $730.69, it should be good to go. It should be good to go, and a nice breach of this high should be in play for next week. Bitcoin's been on the tear. What has not been on the tear is BTCS. It's not moving with the Bitcoin. It's stuck here. It's actually going lower. That crash alert we had at the beginning of the week is playing itself out now. 9 cents is support and should not breach that. All right. Now, before it looked like it was going to possibly lock in, but then it recovered the following week. Same kind of thing is happening here now. So hoping we can get a bounce. This is more arched than this one. This one had the V-type recovery built into it. This is showing that it may form a locking in pattern like it did here. Actually, no, this is more of a slant. This one is more of a slant. So it hasn't done this in a while. We hope it doesn't lock into the downside. We don't want to see that. It's more like this. But if it does, then we can have that cascading effect and boom, nice blow up. So I think this is getting ready for a blow up because we're not hitting new lows. We're just testing trend line support. So this one looks good for a rally regardless of where it closes this week. Interesting developments to say the least. Okay, so let's talk about the bonds. Let's see where these bonds are looking. Let's look at Barry bonds. All right, so your bonds are at 153.18. And as you can see, got deeper into the Kumo cloud, really struggling with the top side resistance at 153.18 and then 154.23. But I think the 154.23 is in play, and we'll have to wait till next week to see what happens on that one. Taking a look now at the black gold crude oil. Crude oil hitting $55 today on the exchange, and it's ready for liftoff. Closes above 52.43 tomorrow, and it opens the door wide open for a run to 60 within the next couple of weeks, folks. So this one's powering up to give it a go. We're looking at a possible $5 to $7 run topside in this one. All right, so that's about it. We'll see what happens. Tomorrow is a very interesting day because it's Take Back Friday. Let's see what happens. All right, so remember, pulsewavetrading.com. Take advantage of the 7-day free trial. You get the study course for free. Once you sign up for the free trial, you get the access to the Learning Academy, premium trading room, live coaching and tutorial. Take advantage of it while it lasts. Pulsewavetrading.com. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Peace.